All right, now we're going to D major. D major is the second scale in the category of major scales. We're sight reading again, right here. This time that you'll see, like I've spoken and taught you before, and go back to the tutorials if you need anything. Remember, that's why they're there. It shows you the timing, which is 4/4 timing, okay? It also has the key signature, meaning right here we have an F sharp and a C sharp. Those two make up the D major scale. As you see here, F sharp, and what is that? C sharp. Those are the two, okay? If you need to refer back to the tutorial, don't feel like you're going back, because you're not. Remember, the spaces are face, F-A-C-E. Those are the spaces that are right here, F-A-C-E. And then there's like every good boy, does fine. It's lame, but it helps you remember. Anyway, let's get right to it. You know where your fingering is. Oh, shoot. You know where your fingering is. That was my fault, guys. I'm sorry. So we'll edit that and start over again. Okay? Now, you're ready to go to your D major scale. The D major scale has each key that is indicated at the beginning of the music, where it shows your treble clef, the timing signature, and what else? The name of the notes that are in that key that give it to you, whether it's sharp or flat. It's called the key signature. The key signature is always here. In this case, it's F sharp and C sharp. So with your right hand, play again with me in 4/4 timing. 2, 3, and okay? Now remember, we playing them out. You play your 1, 2, 3. Now you remember your thumb goes under, right? Okay? And then it over and top, back down. All right, now that you've heard it, let's play it like I do. 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, thumb under the G. A, B, C sharp, D. C sharp, B, A, G. Remember now, over. Your middle finger crosses over your thumb, striking the F sharp, E, D. One more time together with me. 2, 3, and notice I struck the D twice. Okay? I wanted to see if anybody would catch that. Let's sight read and play it exactly as it's written. 2, 3, and let's slow it down. Halftime now. Okay, these are whole notes. What's written there are quarter notes. Just to make it easier, I've changed it. But let's play the quarter notes that are written there. Whether you want to do staccato, or regular quarter notes. Alright, play it with me now. Let's play together. 2, 3, and... Alright, let's accompany ourselves with our octaves with the left hand. Okay, striking that D, right? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and... Now, remember, in case that you might have forgotten because you're getting so excited because you're like going, wow, I'm getting it. That's right, you are. And that is my point. You will get it like no one else has, because I will play with you, I will explain it to you, and I will have the tutorial up in case you need to go back to it as a reference point. That being the octaves. Okay? Let's play that together now. Ready? 2, 3, and... Try it now with both hands playing the scale. 2, 3, and your left hand, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're over. Middle finger. Thumb under. As in the tutorial. I'm sorry. But you have to understand that I'm getting excited too. Because I'm saying, wow, this is exciting. I'm learning my first and now my second major scale that is in the lineup. That's supposed to be the proper way of teaching somebody the theory of music and the basic. That's right. The basic concept of sight reading. You are now sight reading. That is very impressive, and I'm proud of any of my students that have made it this far and not gotten frustrated and realized that this is the course for you. So let's play together now. 10 times. We're going to play two versions. 10 times with octaves and 10 times with the accompanying in unison. Remember now, unison is together, the left and the right hand both playing the D major scale. Here we go with octaves first. Take it slow. 2, 3, end. Now I'm going to strike it again. I'm sorry to interrupt everybody, but let's do it that way because I feel you'll learn it better and you'll be able to concentrate a lot more easier and apply yourself. 2, 3, end. Now let's play it in the real 4/4 timing. There we go. 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try now playing it one more time just by itself, and of course I play with you. You have two sharp notes that are in the D major scale. Ask yourself now, what are those sharp notes? Let's look like it's supposed to be. We're in treble clef, the timing signature, and the key signature. This key signature has what in it now? It has F sharp and C sharp. Right here you're seeing a C sharp first and then the F sharp. That's how it's written on all music. That's the formula, okay? Let's play it together now. One more time, solid. I want you to be, hey, I did that. Let's do it together. 2, 3, end. Let's slow it down. All right, let's just slow it down even one more time now. Okay, now this time we're going to strike the root note. You know your root note, that's the first note. The root note is the note of the key and the scale the music is being played in, and it is the first note. That is your root note. We are going to play together now, and I want you to concentrate and look up at the music and not your fingers. All right? 10 times together. 2, 3, end. Don't rush. All right, 4 more times together. All right, let's do it with the octaves, accompanying.